Field surveyors play a crucial role in gathering accurate and precise data for various projects. One such group of field surveyors is based in Ahamedpur Chauroli. These surveyors are well-trained professionals who specialize in conducting surveys in the Ahamedpur Chauroli area. They are equipped with the necessary tools and knowledge to measure and collect data on land features, boundaries, and other relevant information. With their expertise, they provide valuable input for urban planning, infrastructure development, and construction projects in the region. Ahamedpur Chauroli, a town located in a rural area, has unique geographical and topographical characteristics that require the expertise of field surveyors. These professionals are familiar with the local terrain and understand the challenges that may arise during the survey process. They are experienced in using advanced surveying equipment such as DGPS devices, total stations, and drones to accurately map out the land and collect data. This data is then used by architects, engineers, and other professionals to design and implement various projects in Ahamedpur Chauroli. One particular area where field surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli excel is in SCON design. SCON design refers to the planning and layout of small-scale irrigation canals that are essential for agricultural activities in the region. The field surveyors utilize their knowledge of the local landscape to determine the optimal routes for these canals, taking into consideration factors such as water source availability, land elevation, and soil quality. Their expertise ensures that the SCON designs are efficient and effective in delivering water to the farmlands, thereby maximizing agricultural productivity in Ahamedpur Chauroli. The field surveyor's contribution ensures that Ahamedpur Chauroli's development is sustainable, efficient, and compliant with legal regulations. Field surveyors are essential in acquiring precise and reliable data for numerous projects. Field surveyors of this type have a base in Ahamedpur Chauroli. These surveyors are skilled experts that focus on carrying out surveys in the Ahamedpur Chauroli region. They have the skills and equipment required to measure and gather data on land characteristics, boundaries, and other pertinent information. They contribute significantly to the region's urban planning, infrastructure growth, and building projects with their knowledge. Field surveyors are needed because Ahamedpur Chauroli, a settlement in a rural area, has distinctive topographical and geographic features. These experts are acquainted with the topography in the area and are aware of potential difficulties throughout the survey procedure. They have experience collecting data and correctly mapping the terrain using cutting-edge surveying tools, including DGPS units, total stations, and drones. Architects, engineers, and other experts utilize this information to develop and carry out various projects in Ahamedpur Chauroli. SCON design is one area in which field surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli excel. SCON design is the planning and organization of small irrigation canals, which are crucial for local agricultural activity. The field surveyors use their local landscape expertise to choose the best canal route.